friends, welcome back to our Forex and cryptocurrency forecast. Today we make our forecast for major currency pairs: euro, dollar, great pound against dollar, Japanese yen, gold. We also consider such values as American index DXY and of course Bitcoin as a major cryptocurrency. First of all, my friends, please put your pluses in our chart that picture and sound are all right, and we shall start. One moment, I give the link to our chart with our translation. Yeah, I check our chart. Oh yeah, I see my friend Mark Evans. Hello Mark, how are you? What's your opinion about current situation on financial markets? If you have some forecast, please tell us about it. I'll appreciate it. Yeah, let's begin. First of all, I watch economic calendar in a site investing.com. One moment, I switch it in English. One, two, three. Yeah, today is Tuesday, 8th of September. We see that calendar is quite empty for today. It is visible with a naked eye that there is no important news for today. Maybe this news is quite important, quite interesting. It's a GDP product of Eurozone. We see that numbers are controversial because we have some numbers are good, some bad. Something like plus and minus. There is no definite direction according to this fundamental data. So it's all about news. We can switch our forecast, our webinar, to a technical analysis of market. So my friends, I launch my MetaTrader terminal. One moment. Yeah, okay. So I start with Bitcoin. I also analyze some other cryptocurrency pairs as Ethereum and Ripple. But I start with Bitcoin. We'll see a significant drawdown of this currency, digital currency. Yeah. For today we'll have some interesting levels. pivot level, the price of 10,187, and of course very strong psychological level of 10,000. Now the price is on this level. Try to gain some foothold on this level, but now we'll see that that the combat between bears and bulls is continuing, and on a graph we'll see some flat, or there is no trend for now. The price is between two levels, this one and this one. So I recommend you to watch this pair on your side, not to take participant to this combat, because it's a question who is a winner. For further movement, it is necessary to breaking through or breaking down some of this level. If we are breaking down the resistance line and make retest it open us new targets for buy positions. Okay, let's mark it on graph, something like this. But please be mentioned that this diapason could continue, and near this high we can see some reversal pattern, 1 to 3 pattern, and this movement can continue according to this channel. For further upward movement, it is necessary to breaking down this level and make a foothold on it. So let's wait for further movement. As for sell positions, it's a reversal. It is necessary to breaking through the support level, also make a retest it and continue moving down up to 9,400 and half. So this is a diapason. I try to mark it by other color, maybe like this one. Yeah. So while we are within the channel, we can trade as a diapason traders, sell highs and buy lows. Only when we'll see the squeezing the price with resistance level or support levels, only when we can open positions in this way. So now we are waiting for further signals of this pair. I make a screenshot and upload it in our contact social media. No. Come on. Okay. Okay. This one. So my friends, if you want to see my technical analysis on your computer, please use this link I shared it in our chat. One moment. Where is? Okay, here we are. And my friends, I want to say a big thanks to you for your watching me, for your thumbs up, and for your subscribers. It supports our project very well, so thank you very much. Let's continue movement. I consider to watch some other cryptocurrency pair because I'm a holder of this pair. I bought this pair 2 years ago. It's a ruble against American dollar, but of course, as a major of other players, I bought it on very highs, something about $2 for one ruble coin. I also add position, bought position something about 30 American cents for one ruble. So the middle price of my holding is about $1 and something like this. So now I'm an investor of this cryptocurrency pair. What's about today's forecast? The picture is the same of Bitcoin, because we'll see the American dollar strength against other pairs, against euro, against great pound, against Japanese yen, etc., and of course against other cryptocurrencies. So it's a movement. This is a strength of dollar against other actives, not the drawdown of Bitcoin or Ripple and other currencies. For today, we'll see that a pivot level is on a price of 0.23, and now we also see the diapason channel. One moment, my friends. No. Yeah, something like this. We'll see this channel, and our tactics will be further. We can trade as a hedgers, sell high. Oh no. Sell highs and buy lows. But if we see that a price could settle above this level, above this diapason, we can waiting for a test and open buy positions until these levels, this one and this one. The further level is 0.259, and sell positions, of course it's a reversal trade, because we are waiting for breaking down the support line and retest, and here we are selling up to 0.218. so it's our tactic, trade within the diapason and trade if the price could demolish some of these support or resistance line, and we are trade on the way of this demolition. Oh yeah, that's our Ripple forecast. I uploaded also in our group. So let's move forward, and our next objective of analysis is the American index DXY. Let's see what's news of this index in this index. Is it? Yeah, I'll see where quite significant signal of this pair. It's the trend line, and the price hit this trend line and came and could overcame and retested from other side. So it's quite important sign for American index to continue move to the north. Of course, now price is on acceleration, so it's necessary to wait for some correction and to manage buy positions after finishing of this correction. What's the levels could help us to find out the ending of this correction? We can mark this current trend line, and we are waiting for the retest. Something like this, and if we'll see here 1 to 3 pattern or zigzag pattern, it's a good sign for continue move forward, and we are managed buy positions near this line. The next level for buy positions, it is the pilot level at a price of 93.02. This is the other good level for buy positions. If a price could sneaking down through this level, one moment my friends, could make successful attempt to overcome this level, only then we can manage sell positions. If the price returned down to this trend line, below this trend line, we can manage sell positions up to these levels. But until the price is on this way to manage buy position, then the downward correction is finishing. So this level and this one is interesting for buy positions, but please mention, my friends, we are waiting for pattern, for 1 to 3 pattern, or maybe for your pattern that they use of patterns of price sections to open positions, because I'm always wait for confluencing of three components. So this is the trend line. Of course, this is the level. It's a horizontal level, and the pattern. Near this zone. When all these components are successfully merged, I can open position to this direction, or maybe to a direction that this signal is that tells us to open. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. So American index continue to dominate in our market. So if this index is dominate, we see the euro dollar, great pound weakened against American dollar. I make a screenshot. And upload and add it to my other screenshots. Yeah, that's it. And our next pair is euro dollar. Let's continue. Yeah. I close these two terminals. Yeah, this one and this one, to free some memory for my computer, for my laptop. And now we switch to Forex market. We make forecast, we make analysis of euro dollar. First of all, there is one moment, I switch these time frames. So in our morning forecast, in our morning webinar, I make a prediction. The main movement of this pair is downward movement, because now we'll see this bearish channel. The most important level which I use is a balance line. This line is a buffer price, so it could use as a resistance. While the price move within this channel, our main direction is a downward direction, so it's sell positions. But we'll see also quite powerful trend line of this bullish channel on the time frame of 4 hour, and the price hit one time to this trend line, so it is necessary to see lots of reaction of the price. Could this trend line pull back the price and hit it to the new heights? So we mark our goals, our targets for this sell and buy positions. This is the targets for sell positions and for buy position. You'll see that the price could overhand this 100 level of margin. It's the most powerful margin level. So now the question is, could the price return up to this margin level, margin zone? So let's make some prediction. Let's make some drawings on the graph. Now, while the price is on the within this channel, is on the side this channel, between the two sides of this channel, manage sell position if we see reversal pattern 1 to 3 from the heights of this channel. But if a price could break through this channel, waiting for reaction near this balance line. This is the second level for sell position. But if the price could breaking through it, or no, it open us opportunities to buy this pair. The first level will be this one, and the second this one. So now we are waiting for further movement. Two options. First option, we could breaking through this trend line, something like this, and continue move down up to these levels. But if the price breaking this channel and could gain a foothold on this channel, breaking through a trend line or balance line, only then we can manage our buy positions to these levels. Okay, this is my ideas for euro dollar. I uploaded it to his friends. Yeah, and let's step together to the other pair. It's a Japanese yen. Yeah, now a morning survey. We considered this signal, this touching of trend line as a signal for sell positions. So now the first our targets, our morning target has already reached. Maybe a little bit leave to price to touch it, and the second one will be here. This is the margin zone, margin level. It's 25 margin level and 50 margin level. So now the price is on acceleration. It is necessary to waiting for some correction near this level. It's so-called impulse level, where a price get the impulse after breaking down this level. So price quite often like to retest this level or move near to this level of breaking down. So we are waiting for a correction, 1 to 3 pattern, and when open the sell position to this level and even more. Okay, that's enough for today. This is our target, next target after this, but after some correction. This is the most powerful target or most interesting target for us, but it's not for today. I think it's maybe for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, maybe some midterm target. No, not midterm, a week term target. Yeah. Buy position now is not actual. Only when the price could breaking down this trend line, we can manage buy position. But while the price move according to this trend line, the main direction is a direction to the south, so it's a sell positions for us. Yeah, I make a sorry, where is I also uploaded a picture of Japanese yen to our wall, and our final active for today is a gold. Yeah, I'm check our chart. Lane E DXY dropping. I'm close my terminal with DXY. There is two major levels for DXY where we can manage our buy positions if we'll see a reversal pattern finishing the downward correction. Okay, I try to show it on the graph. There is two levels for buy position. This one and pivot level. It's 93.02. Only if we can breaking down this pivot level and make retest it from bottom to top. Yeah, only then we can manage sell position. Here we can of course we can try to sell with a quite short stop loss, but it is very dangerous because there is no completed bearish channel. We will see this trend line, ordinary trend line, and acceleration trend line. I recommend you to wait to breaking down this trend line. Some 1 to 3 pattern, but it's quite aggressive. We're breaking through this level and make it retest on this to this, then you can manage sell positions. I recommend you to see the article about 1 to 3 pattern or zigzag. Traders call it by these names. No, one moment, I can show you. Yeah, this pattern. So I use two major conditions for this pattern. Of course, I'm beginning with drawing trend line and horizontal levels. It is very important that this pattern will be accompanied with two conditions: breaking down the trend line, and we can manage with 1 to 3 pattern near this horizontal level. Not to find out, not to search and seek this pattern besides the levels. It is very important to use horizontal, powerful horizontal levels. If we'll see it, we are waiting for reaction. What's the reaction? We'll see 1 to 3 pattern and retest the trend line from bottom to top, so it's quite a good sign for a sell position. Until these conditions are not completed, we are not settle this pattern. Yeah, I think it's quite clear. If some questions leave, please ask me. I try to explain you. Okay, Oleg Kovalov. Oleg, hello to you. It's not a problem. You can watch our webinar a little bit in a recording. I make a record as usual, so when you be at home with a couple of coffee, please join us. I'm glad to see you. Okay. Let's finishing our webinar by survey of gold against dollar. We'll see balance. We'll see current situation by this way. The balance line at a price of 1927.85. Now we'll see also the trend line. This is a resistance, so it's downward trend line, and we'll see that lows are renewed. This one. So if you want to wait for some reversal, it is necessary to wait for a formation. That first of all, we are waiting for renews of this. No, not for renews. We are waiting for a next low. That this low will be higher than the last one, something like this. And after it, we are waiting for breaking down the balance line, and on the retest of this balance line from top to bottom, we are manage our buy positions. So here we'll see the bullish trend, bullish channel. Only after this we can settle our buy positions. But if the price couldn't overwhelm this balance line, and we will see a 1 to 3 pattern from it, we can open our sales to this level and this one. So this most important zone for the further movement of the price. It says 1927. So be cautious. I recommend you to wait for the behavior of the price near this level. I'm always recommend to my friends, be patient. not to open position between between the channel. In the it is necessary to wait for the behavior or for the reaction of the price near the most important levels. You can use different levels. I'm using the balance line. It's a line is formatted by the volumes, by option volumes. If you can check, you'll see the name of my forget this experts, my expert, the name of this expert is option profit. This is expert is using CME data. So here we see volumes of open interest and some balance line. When the price is below this line, the main direction for my positions is a sell direction. But if the price is above this trend, this balance line, my main trades will be buy positions. So my friends, this is all for the gold survey. I uploaded it in our group. Yeah. So my friends, you can use this link to see our technical analysis for these pairs, and I wish you good trades, good months for your trades. Not to forget, use some laws, some rules, some math rules for your trades. I recommend you to use money management. My money management is a ratio of take profit and stop loss. If I see that take profit of the further trade will be 3 times more than the sell stop, only then I manage this position. If I see that at a stop loss and take profits is the same, it's quite often on when the price is on the diapason. I don't manage this position, but if I see that a trend line is downward, I'm waiting for a correction and see, okay, the first goal will be here, about 30 points, and my stop loss will be something 15 points. It's not super good, but it's not bad. One moment, it's not bad for open this position. So I wish you a good trades, a good months for your trades, and of course good mood, because if we if we are disturbed, nervous, it's not time for trading, because this market requires to be on not to trade by shaking hands, to be a clear mind. Yeah, I wish you a clear mind for your further trades, my friends. So thank you very much. Sincerely yours, Kalmanovich Oleg. See you next time. Bye bye.